I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how far a Tesla Model 3 can go on one charge. We'll cover the impressive distances these electric vehicles can achieve and delve into the various elements that influence their performance. Understanding these factors is key to maximizing your driving experience. From your driving style to environmental conditions, many things play a role in how far you can travel. We'll also explore practical steps to help you get the most out of your Model 3 battery. Let's look at the specific ranges for different Model 3 variants. The rear-wheel drive model typically provides an estimated range of up to 272 miles on a full charge. For those seeking more distance, the long-range all-wheel drive variant can achieve approximately 341 miles. The long-range rear-wheel drive model offers an even greater range, reaching up to 363 miles. Even the high-performance model still delivers a respectable estimated range of around 303 miles. Several factors can influence how far your Model 3 can go. High driving speeds are a major contributor to reduced range, as more energy is needed to overcome air resistance. Extreme temperatures, both cold and hot, can also impact battery performance and efficiency. Your driving style matters too. Aggressive acceleration and frequent, hard braking use more energy than smooth, consistent driving. Additionally, carrying heavy loads and improper tire pressure can decrease your overall driving distance. To get the most out of your Model 3 range, adopt smooth driving habits, minimizing rapid acceleration and harsh braking. Regenerative braking is your friend, helping to recover energy when you lift off the accelerator. Preconditioning your battery and cabin before driving, particularly in cold weather, can significantly improve efficiency. Always ensure your tires are properly inflated and remove any unnecessary weight from your vehicle. When charging, a Tesla wall connector can add up to 44 miles of range per hour, while a supercharger can add 200 miles in just 15 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.